Kakanta tayo. Una, yung Korean version and then English. At ihanda na yung mga lights at banners natin. Mitzies, are you ready? Reason?
Yes.
We would love to say in 3, 2, 1, happy birthday, Ryujin!
Thank you so much. Oh. Oh?
And with that, Ryujin, we got 2 beautiful cakes for you. Okay, Bench has a surprise for you, a lovely birthday cake. And these came from your fans right here in the Philippines. Another beautiful cake. Okay?
Wow.
How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm really surprised. I didn't know there is corner like this. So, I'm really surprised. Thank you to all of you and Bench. Yeah, thank you so much.
She's so happy. Okay, just like what we rehearsed a while ago. Can we sing a happy birthday song to Ryujin in Korean? Okay?
In Korean.
Okay.
In Korean. Everybody, are you ready?
In Korean?
1, 2, 3. 생일 축하합니다.
Wow.
All right. There we go. We say happy birthday to Ryujin once again in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday. We got cakes for you. We got flowers for you. And we just want to ask, what is your wish?
My wish is to everyone to be happy and healthy this year and maybe the rest of their life. Thank you.
So sweet.